Meti Miraki, my dear, more energy to your soulful and your heartful passions. I am here today with a very powerful insight for you, which is called What is. Either be at ease or become a disease. It's a mantra, an energy booster that when truly understood, creates a very subtle yet transformational shift in your mindset and by extension your whole life. And I will tell you the ritual of how you can implement this in your life. Okay? But let me first tell a story to you. Okay? Let me start by narrating this story. So once upon a time in a very peaceful village, there lived a wise farmer. One sunny day, the farmer's horse ran away. And when the farmer's brother saw this, he said, "How unlucky." But the farmer simply shrugged his shoulders calmly and replied, "Good thing, bad thing, who knows?" A week passed, and to everyone's surprise, the horse found its way back home. But not alone, it brought along a beautiful mare. So when the farmer's brother saw the new horse, he said, "That's amazing, you're so lucky." But once again the farmer said, "Good thing, bad thing, who knows?" A few days later, the farmer's son decided to ride the wild mare, hoping to tame her. But the horse started galloping wildly, throwing the boy off its back. And unfortunately, the boy broke his leg. Farmer's brother once again said, "How unlucky you are." Yet the farmer, true to his wisdom, replied, "Good thing, bad thing, who knows?" The very next day, something unexpected happened. The village received news that all the young men were to join the king's military. However, the farmer's son was excused because of his broken leg. Saying this, the farmer's brother said, "This is the best news of all. How fortunate you are." But the farmer, with his wise words, replied, "Good thing, bad thing, who knows?" This story teaches us such a valuable lesson. Life is filled with ups and downs, and sometimes things may not just go as we expect it, right? But instead of getting lost in what if and judging every moment, we can choose to focus on the is-ness of the whole situation. Because what is. We need to drop the labels just like that wise farmer. Now listen to this very carefully. The only time we suffer is when we believe a thought that argues with the reality, that argues with what is. The only time we suffer is when we believe a thought that argues with what is. If you want reality to be different, then it's like as if you might as well teach a cat how to bark. I can go on teaching the cat how to do pow, 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 pow. But after hours of training, when I will look at my cat and ask her to bark, she will look at me back and say, meow, right? So what am I saying here is that you have a choice, my dear. Rest of your life, you can either waste your energy by trying to change the world and the people around you and feel hopeless at the end, or you can work on your energy flow and take your life to a whole new level. Giving you an example, say you've lost your job, okay? You may choose to waste your energy and go on complaining about your boss and the unfair advantage of men at your work, or you can just blame the falling economy or the government for taking such wrong decisions because of which people are losing their jobs. Yes, or you can simply sit with a paper and a pen and say, okay, I lost my job. Now what can I do? What are my options? Can you feel the difference over here? Same situation, different energy. This is the power of being in the is-ness and then taking action. And now I want you to join me in a simple yet powerful ritual to embrace this energy, mantra of is-ness. Every morning, start your day with this intention and say it like an affirmation. Today, I choose to see things as they are. Today, I choose to see things as they are. I choose peace over chaos. I choose understanding over judgment. I choose reality without any labels. How many times do you need to repeat this? Repeat this to yourself until you feel a sense of calmness seep into you. This will set your energy frequency for the day, my dear. If you still find yourself labeling a situation throughout the day, just take a pause, take a breath, remind yourself of your morning affirmation. Ask yourself, what is the reality of this situation without me giving any labels to it? This gentle reminder will guide you back to your state of is-ness, your place of graceful balance and freedom from issues which is actually not there. So why are we creating it? This simple mindset shift can make your life so much easy, so much simple and super duper amazing. Life is about doing great things, about learning, creating magic, living joyously, spreading love, not complaining and fighting, my dear. As the great Indian astronaut Kalpana Chawla once said, the path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on to it. By embracing the is-ness of situation, you are taking that first step on your path to freedom and to happiness. So set yourself free, my dear. You are a free bird. Spread your wings. And now, my dear, it is time to say our energy queen declarations together. So let's go on. Sit straight like an energy queen and repeat after me. Okay, but first, before doing that, close your eyes, hands on your heart, take a deep breath and just say it out. I am an energy queen. My life is perfect exactly the way it is right now. I am an energy queen and my life is perfect exactly the way it is right now. My health is perfect just the way it is right now. My health is perfect just the way it is right now. My relationships are perfect just the way it is right now. My relationships are perfect just the way it is now. My finances are perfect just the way it is right now. My finances are perfect just the way it is right now. My career is perfect just the way it is right now. My career is perfect just the way it is right now. People may think it may not be perfect. But I know when I feel perfect, I attract perfect. Come on, say it. People may think it is not perfect. But I know that when I feel perfect, I attract perfect. I am an energy queen and I declare that my life is perfect just the way it is right now. I am an energy queen and I declare that my life is perfect just the way it is right now. Because I say so. Because I believe so. And because I feel it. I feel it. Thank you. Thank you, universe. Thank you. Now you may open your eyes and let me tell you this. You are perfect, my dear, just the way you are. You are perfect. So are you ready to try out this energy booster that you've just learned today? Remember, you deserve a life that is not dictated by labels, but live in the present, in the is-ness. I encourage you to practice this daily affirmation and bring the is-ness into your life. And definitely join us in the Energy Queens Hub, where we grow together, we transform challenges into stepping stones for success.